In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a Slack account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Slack workspace. You can do this either by using the Slack app on your device or by visiting the Slack website through your web browser. Once you're in your workspace, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture there. Click on it and a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, select Profile. Once you've done that, a profile panel will open up on the right side of your screen. Here you'll see a 3 dots icon, which is for more actions. Clicking on that will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select Account Settings. This action will open a new page in your web browser for you to manage your account. Now you might have to do a bit of scrolling, so go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom of the Account Settings page. Here, you'll find the button labeled Deactivate Account. Click on that button. After clicking it, Slack will ask you to confirm your identity to make sure that it's really you trying to deactivate your account. For this, you'll need to enter your account password. Don't worry, this is a standard security measure and it's there to protect your information. Once you've entered your password, make sure to click Confirm Password. You're almost there. After confirming your password, Slack will present you with a final confirmation prompt. This is just to double-check that you really want to go through with this process. To finalize the deactivation, click Yes on that prompt. And there you go. You have successfully deactivated your Slack account. Just a quick note here. Deactivating your account does remove your profile from that specific Slack workspace. You will also stop receiving any further notifications. However, keep in mind that messages you have sent will still be visible to others in the workspace and will appear as deactivated user unless an administrator decides to manually delete them. So that's it for today's tutorial on how to deactivate your Slack account. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And remember, if this video has been useful to you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps a lot and allows us to keep creating helpful content just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll